Take a ride in the 2021 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.